Hi everybody, this is John Botello with 10th Planet Phoenix. I'm here with my black belt Steel Levine. We're going to teach you guys today some techniques from lockdown. Here we go. All right, so we're going to start with Steel standing. Okay, I have to get his knee to the mat. I want his knee to the mat. Okay, so something that we do in the 10th Planet system is something we call the stakeout. Okay, the stakeout, what we're going to do is we're going to go shin to shin. Okay, shin to shin. Grabbing the knee. We're gonna tuck the knee to the chest. And as we're here, we're gonna fall inside his legs. As I fall inside his legs, I'm gonna extend my shin, which is gonna get his knee to propel back. As it goes back, I'm gonna pull his knee down to the mat, like this, see? I extend, I shove, the knee hits the mat, I swing under with the underhook, getting him forward, I step over to the calf, instep to instep, and the lockdown, just like this. So we start with the underhook. This would be best case scenario, like I said. You didn't have to use jaws of life because we're on our side. This would play out this way. Last time. Into lockdown, right here, okay? And this is best case scenario. I have the underhook already, okay? The underhook is great. If we don't have underhooks, this is what usually happens, okay? Right hand to back it up, push to 3, elbow in, right handed. Now I squeeze my knees, lift my knees to my chest, and lift my elbows. I fall inside with the underhook. My right hand, if I see the toes, we're immediately gonna grab the toes. Underneath. You wanna be underneath, we don't wanna be over top. If we're over top, like this, he just kicks out and we lose it. And now we've just told him our game plan, and we might not ever get it back. So if we see the toes, we want to reach underneath and grab at the toes, not at the instep. He's strong there again. Always at the end of the lever. So we grab the toes. Once we have the toes, underhook, grab the hip. Hold the hip tight. We're gonna release our right foot, step over, and extend our right knee, or our right leg. We want to extend our right leg until our belly turns down to the mat, and we're going to collect the leg here. Okay? As I go belly down, it's going to be difficult to get up here because he's got a strong overhook. So what I have to do is create a base underneath myself. So I open up my right knee wide, and then I bring it under my hip. Now I have a base. Here. Open the knee wide. Bring my knee under my hip. I have a base. Now I pull the toes, drive through, pass, underhook. here. That's not the knife here. This one. Together. Oh. Now lace your left leg.
And then this
And
now.
now just grab the wrist here.
You're like here, come in.
Yep, so it's 1 under, scoot in 2, and then